Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix the problem when you want to play your favorite or download your favorite games on Google Play Store with Xiaomi 13 Lite, but you can't seem to find them. So let's start our Google Play Store, and here actually let's try to find Call of Duty. As you can see, it's right here, but we can click on it. The same is with Diablo Immortal, and basically all of the games. And to fix this, let's click on our profile picture, go to your settings and family, then enter parental controls. Here either disable parental controls entirely or enter apps and games, enter the PIN code, then increase PG to 18 and make sure to save the settings afterwards. If you go back and look for the games again, they should be on the top right here and we can install them. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.